Pacing and strategy in adaptive testing. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a crucial component of GMAT and GRE testing, managing pacing and question selection in adaptive testing. This could make or break your test experience, so let's get right into it. Remember, the way you manage your time and pick your questions can have a big impact on your final score. First and foremost, let's demystify what adaptive testing really is. Adaptive testing means the test adjusts in real time based on your answers. If you answer a question correctly, you're likely to receive a slightly harder question next, and vice versa. This allows the test to accurately gauge your abilities. Key point: the better you do, the more challenging the questions become. Conversely, if you're struggling, the questions may get a tad easier. In tests like the GMAT and GRE, time management is everything. With a limited amount of time to answer a set number of questions, every minute counts. 1. Start strong, but stay calm. The beginning sets the tone. Answering early questions correctly can help in setting a positive trajectory. However, don't panic if you find them challenging. Take a deep breath, and do your best. 2. Mind the clock, not the ticker. Frequently glancing at the countdown can be a distraction. Instead, divide the test into quarters or thirds and periodically check to ensure you're on track. 3. Quick decisions. If a question seems too challenging or you're unsure about it after spending some time, it's often better to make an educated guess and move on. Spending too much time on one question can jeopardize the rest of the section. Adaptive tests don't typically allow you to skip and come back. However, they do require a strong presence of mind about how to tackle each question. 1. First instincts. Often, your first instinct is correct. If you're torn between two answers, it might be best to go with your gut. 2. Eliminate the obvious. Before guessing, eliminate any obviously wrong answers. This increases your chances of picking the right one. 3. Stay balanced. Remember, both easy and difficult questions carry weight. Don't get bogged down by tough questions, and don't take the seemingly easy ones for granted. And that wraps up our guide on pacing and question selection for the GMAT and GRE's adaptive testing. Remember, every test taker is unique. So find the pacing and strategy that works best for you. We hope this video will give you the tools and confidence to tackle your exam head-on. Best of luck, and happy studying!